Well, I guess 2 guys are gonna come with us. I'll stay on C, I guess.
I'm gonna go I. I'm going base leg here.
Holy fuck, did this guy land early?
He's coming I. I think he fucked it. No, he's here with me. Fuck. He ran inside. Oh, there's a guy on your roof.
Yeah, I know. Got one.
Nice. I hit him too. I was hitting that guy. The guy's inside my side. I don't know. Do you see him?
No,
Oh,
he
he's
might
on
have.
me. He's on me. He's on me.
Watch yourself.
He's on me. He's killing me. Oh my god. Oh my god. Wow.
Yeah. Holy.
Oh my god. Right.
Fucker.
He's gonna get forced by the circle here.
I'm just gonna lay down.
Yeah, that's fair.
All I can do. Somebody was knocked out of the play zone. Oh my god, my perfect vest. It's the only thing that kept me alive though too, so I have to give it credit for that.
Look, guy, straight ahead.
Thanks.
Oh my god.
Thanks for that.
Is anyone coming from the town? Because that anyone who's in there is getting forced out now. So I'd watch that.
I don't know, I'm kinda watching all sides. More or less listening, trying to like know where everybody's coming from. I'm staying low to the ground.
Oh, fucked by the circle.
Yeah. 5 left. I
I
think
screwed this up.
it's pretty much time for me to get going. I don't see anybody over there. I think there might be people over there. Because I want to try to get involved with that. I don't want to get flanked on, essentially, is what I'm saying.
You'll see them running though if you're low.
There's 4 left, so that's a it's a 2v1v1 maybe.
Yeah. Oh. Sounded right.
Three left. Okay. So it should be a 1v1v1.